Hi folks, Tim here from High End Cheap Tech again. We're going to talk about the Umidigi F1. I did a video on it a little over a week ago. There was apparently a lot of interest in it, and that's good. I just thought I'd do a follow-up. I'm going to try to keep this real short. Umidigi put out an advertising video. I haven't seen a review yet. We'll talk about that when I get to the section where I show you all the links. All the links will be in the description below, including from the previous video. On that note, let's get right to it. Let's do the intro. Alright folks, here I am, I'm back. I don't know where this decided to take off to. Wasn't exactly where we were going. But a week ago or so, I put this video on the Umidigi F1 smartphone. I put the specs up. It's a good phone, and at that time I urged you not to buy it because there are no independent reviews, and as of today there are still no independent reviews, so don't buy it just yet. Just saying that. In the meantime, they did put out this unboxed the flagship killer. Okay, right away you know that's bullshit. It's an ad. I know in some third world countries who might be watching this who are not as used to us as us Americans are watching advertising, manufacturers will lie their ass off to you or put small disclaimers in. This isn't going to kill any flagships. They're selling it for $199, and that's the bottom line here. They are selling it for $199. They have some links in their video. I'll link their video. If you subscribe to their sales page, which currently shows it at $219, which is still not a bad price for what you're getting. You are getting Android 9, 4 gig RAM, 128 gig RAM storage, dual nano SIMs, or add a micro SD card to it, and a huge 5150 milliamp battery, 18 watts fast charging. There is, according to their specs at least, they do not mention wireless charging, and there are not stereo speakers, but still an excellent budget phone if you could find it for $199. Until you find one of those third-party videos who does a review, and make damn sure when you watch one of those reviews you go back and check the guy's videos. If he's done 87 Umidigis, he's in the pocket of Umidigi. He's a paid video advertiser. You want a third-party guy who just don't care. Somebody's going to say, this is what's pro, this is what's con, because there are no perfect phones. I've seen enough of those videos that come, especially ones that come out of China. They'll only point out all the wondrous stuff. Not a single thing is wrong with it as far as they're concerned, because they've been paid to say that. It's a sponsored video. And they get a whole bunch of hits. So don't buy it until you get a third-party review. Last but not least, they do have a giveaway, which will also be linked in the video below. I'm up to a whole 6 entries. Yeah, my odds of winning out of 450,846 entries are pretty much zero. And so are yours, but somebody got to win. 10 people got to win. So go for it. The links will be in the video below. And that is all I have for today. Once again, I'd hold off on purchasing this until such time as you can see a video that goes over how this thing actually works, how good the cameras really are, You know, being told it's a 16 megapixel camera, that's fine, but if it takes blurry photos, you don't want it. If it's got slow shutter speeds, you might not want it. If the battery life, even though it's a big battery, sucks, you may not want it. You want some actual hands-on, real live testing and not a minute and 6 seconds of marketing hype. Don't fall for advertising. That's all I got for tonight. Thanks for watching. I'll put up a link to the original video up in the corner at the end of this. Later.